On the desk area, you're gonna see three spots, black spots, and one that is yellow, close to the door. Sometimes it's difficult to record in the meantime we are working, because recording and cleaning takes like 3 times. Now it's already clean, but now I'm explaining to you how I'm gonna do the living area. We are just gonna do the spots, the black spots. And what is the difference between spots and stain? And stain is something that is already within the fibers and is more difficult to remove. And sometimes you can't remove because it's already stained into the fibers of the carpet. So this is black spots, easy to remove. I know for sure that we did a deep cleaning this house 2 years ago. We steam cleaning and do a heavy duty cleaning in the carpets. So this is the reason why I'm using this way to clean, that is a VLM método. I don't know how to pronounce método in English. Method. I don't know. So we are using our machine that is called the Phoenix of the Phoenix OP machine. This machine is like a floor scrubber, but better. New technology. What is new technology? Because the agitation is amazing. It's more than 1,700 spins per minute. Beside that, has a bumping action that the machine is gonna scrub fast, is gonna spread the product evenly, and we are gonna extract with another pad. At the beginning, under the machine, I have a champagne pad that you are seeing right now. The machine has 2 sprayers that spray the product evenly. Then we run the machine and it's gonna scrub all over the carpet and remove easily the spots, the black spots. What that appear because maybe the dog had something to do with it. So after we scrub really good, we change the pad with a white pad that is a gladiator cotton pad, and we extract the soil. It's like doing a transfer. We extract the soil and it's absorbed but with the white pad. BLM, some people call bonnet cleaning, but this machine is wonderful, looks heavy, and is heavy if you carry on, but we never carry on. We move it slowly. It's really gentle with the carpet, and that's a really good finish. That's what I like about it. Behind the motor, I have a gallon with our cleaning agent that will clean and sanitize the carpet. We're doing this procedure just in the heavy traffic on the carpet, especially pay more attention of those black spots on the carpet. Now you are gonna see that I'm gonna remove my container. Where is my cleaning product? I'm gonna put it up, remove the champagne pad, the one that I was scrubbing. I'm gonna put my gladiator pad. I already did the master bedroom and the desk, so I use one side of this gladiator pad. You can use both sizes, So as soon as we finish with one side, we can use the other side, put it under my machine, and move the handle. That's another plus about this machine, because you can adjust the handle depending of the way that you like to clean. And sometimes we do tile and grout too, and in the kitchen area, in the island, I can put down the handle so the machine goes under the island. It's really cool. I like it. So it's really easy to use. If you can mow your yard, if you can mow the jardín, the yard, right? If you can mow the césped, I don't know, you can do this. It's really gentle to use. It's just walking back and forth with the machine, and the machine does the job for you. You just need to know which cleaning product to use, the correct cleaning product, so the carpets won't be resoiled. And resoil is, you need to have a neutral pH cleaner so it won't get sticky, the carpets, after you clean. So this is a short explanation how we do the carpets. Then, using a rake, I don't vacuum again. I'm using my rake. Before using the Phoenix machine, the Phoenix OP orbital machine, we rake so the fibers of the carpet will lift up and will look pretty good, pretty even. It will erase all the steps. It came really good. You don't see anymore the black spots. I know that the video is long, but I was trying to explain how this machine works. And you can hire us at 407-572-4118. It came really good, everything.